My name is P.V. Rao. I am the Executive Director of Pennar Engineered Building Systems. We have started this company in 2008. The commercial production started in January 2010. We have technical collaboration with an American company called NCI. NCI is one of the largest engineered building makers in US. And since inception, the order book we have is 500 crores, out of which we have already executed 300 crores. And our current order backlog is around 200 crores. And we have got orders from reputed customers like L&T, Procter & Gamble, Dr. Reddy Laboratories, Hindustan Construction Company, Asian Brown Brewery, Godrej, Bosch, Thermax. So all the important brands we are working with. And recently we got one order from L&T for the Reliance distribution center, which is coming up in Pune. This is the first distribution center of Reliance Retail, and they are planning 15 more such distribution centers all over India. And our current capacity in Hyderabad, we have around 30,000 metric ton, and we have doubled the capacity to 60,000 metric tons. And to cater to the North Indian market, we want to start a second manufacturing plant preferably in Rajasthan, to cater to some part of the west as well as to the northern India. Our investment levels for the North India plant, we are expecting to do about 65 to 70 crores, and in Hyderabad we already invested around 60 crores. And we want to do another 15-20 crores in Hyderabad to make the capacity as 90,000 tons. Steel is always definitely better than concrete in many aspects. For example, you take steel, it is good in tension. So for earthquake and all, steel is much better than the concrete. And steel is, a lot of advantages. You can go for large span buildings. The buildings can be relocated, and the foundation cost will be very less, and the time taken to complete the project is very less. So you'll save on the time, economic wise as well as in the timelines. The savings are definitely beneficial to the customers. That is how this concept has gained momentum in India from 2000 onwards. And now most of the customers, they prefer pre-engineered buildings in terms of their inherent advantages. Steel buildings, invariably, many of the buildings, they leak because of the expansion and contraction. The holes will become bigger, and through the screws and all, it will leak. This sheeting, what we have, is a very unique sheeting developed by NCI in the US, and it doesn't have any screws that are fastened through. And we fix clips, and then we have a mobile roll former that will be taken to the site, and we can roll form any length of the sheet we want to avoid end lapse. And this is we have done almost for 10 projects in India, all big projects like Procter & Gamble, Dr. Reddy's, and Schneider Electric. All these buildings had double lock sheeting, and the customers are extremely happy. It is compared to trapezoidal sheeting, this is expensive to around 10 to 15%.